Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asma Zahir and I am your instructor. I welcome you all to the online course Introduction to Exceptionalities. This course is primarily designed for the students of B.Ed Honors Special Education second semester who are currently enrolled at any campus of University of Education. Additionally, this course is a foundation course for the program of B.Ed Honors Special Education. This is an introductory session which you are going to know about your instructor, course learning outcomes, main content areas, main textbooks of this course grading and expectations. As far as my introduction concerned, I am MPhil in Special Education from Department of Special Education, University of the Punjab. I served Directorate Channel of Special Education Punjab as a JSET BPS 16 for 4 years, and I joined University of Education in 2019. Course learning outcomes. After studying this course, students and you people will be able to describe the different classifications of exceptional children under each category and their learning characteristics under each group. You people will be able to describe the cognitive, educational and social behavioral characteristics of individual with various type of disabilities. You people will have opportunity to discuss what you can do and what services you people can provide to children with exceptionalities. You will perform various activities in this course that will belong to children with exceptionalities and their well-being. Main content areas of this course are Introduction to Exceptionalities, individuals with intellectual developmental disabilities. You people will know about the definitions, etiology, classification, assessment, educational considerations, services, transitions, and all the assistive technology available for these type of categories of exceptional children, including children with intellectual developmental disabilities, children with hearing impairment, children with visual impairment, children with learning disabilities, children with emotional and behavioral disabilities, children with speech and language disorders, children with physical disabilities, and gifted children. We will see their definitions, their etiology, their diagnosis, their classifications, their assessment procedures, what educational considerations we can make for them, what services are available for them, what are their transitional plans for adulthood and how to prepare them for adulthood, and assistive technology that is available for all kind of categories. Main recommended textbooks for this course are, I have put 4 books here and in Google Classroom. Further we will discuss category wise and I will keep adding to your Google Classroom. What will be the grading of this course? Grades for this course will be determined by the following activities, and as you people have sessional marks 20%, midterm 20%, and final term 60%. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Take it, it is 60%. Okay, so sessional marks will be determined by quizzes, assignments, are online classroom participation, Zoom meetings, and other related activities that I will assign to you people. So it was the introduction of the course. Thank you so much for your time.